Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a barrier. First, clearly define the area needing protection and the barrier's exact purpose. Consider if it's for crowd control, safety, or demarcation. Next, choose the right barrier type. Options range from temporary cones to sturdy fencing. Gather all your equipment, including the barriers themselves, any required signage, and tools for secure placement. Proper preparation is key to a successful and effective setup, ensuring safety and clear boundaries for everyone involved. Before placing any barrier, carefully assess the ground conditions. Ensure the surface is stable enough to support the barrier without tipping or shifting, especially in windy conditions. Next, plan your layout to create a clear, continuous line, maximizing visibility and preventing unauthorized access. Use chalk or temporary markers to outline the exact placement of each barrier segment. This meticulous planning prevents gaps and ensures the barrier serves its intended function effectively, guiding people safely. Start your installation from a fixed anchor point, such as a wall or a sturdy post, to establish a strong foundation. Connect each barrier segment securely, ensuring there are no weak points or potential for collapse. Many barriers feature interlocking mechanisms or require simple fasteners for a robust connection. Once the physical barrier is in place, strategically add warning signs, such as caution or do not enter, and attach flashing lights, especially for low-light conditions. This ensures maximum safety and clear communication. After setup, it is crucial to regularly inspect your barrier for any signs of wear, damage, or instability. Check for loose connections, bent sections, or any parts that might compromise its integrity. Promptly tighten any fasteners that have come loose and replace any components that are broken or severely damaged. Also, verify that all warning signs are clean, legible, and correctly oriented, and that any lights are fully operational. Consistent maintenance ensures the barrier remains effective and safe for its entire duration.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.